What's up, guys? This is Josh here. Do you remember that story about this really rich guy who got rich because he decided that he was going to save all of his money?
Nope.
Maybe because there's really been no one who got really wealthy by saving all of their money. Now, I'm not saying that putting your money into a savings account is a bad thing. I mean, you should aim to have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up in an emergency fund. However, in this video, I'm going to briefly explain why you should consider investing your money over saving. But before I dive into that, if you could use extra money in your banking account, be sure that you obliterate that like button. And if you're already not a part of the viewing community here and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. I know that this video may ruffle some feathers, but hear me out. Savings is not the magic sauce to an early retirement. There is nothing wrong with it though. In fact, you should be saving your money. The act of saving, it won't in itself make anyone rich. Ordering water at a restaurant over soda, it might save you just a few $100s over the course of the year. And let's be honest and let's be real. A few $100s isn't really life-changing. And if you want the truth, saving is actually making you poor. Yes, I said it. Inflation is eating away at your savings. The inflation rate in the US increased to 2% in February of 2021. And according to the FDIC, the national average interest rate on savings account in the US currently stands at, get this, 0.04%. And that's as of March the 3rd, 2021. And at the same time, inflation is up 2%. So which is a bigger number? Your savings account that stands at 0.04% or inflation, which is 2%? So let me say it like this. You have $100, you go over to the store and you want to buy a television. You get there, you see the television for $100 and you want to make a financially smart decision, and you decide that you're going to put that $100 into a savings account because you want to hold on to your money. Over the course of the year, that $100 would have grown by 4 cents. And at the same time, the inflation rate has grown at 2% in the same year. So on average, that television would have increased to a price of $102. Before, you would have been able to afford that TV, but now you are $1.96 short. You just became poor by saving your money. Investing can help you reach your financial goals even faster. Your money is earning a higher rate of return than that of a savings account. You will be able to earn more money both on the long term and within a faster period. And with the stock market, the average rate of return, I forgot to tell you, is 10%. So here's a story that I heard. There was a guy by the name of George. When George turned 21, he decided to start investing $200 a month for the next 9 years. At the age of 30, he decided that he was going to stop investing altogether. But his friend Sam started a little later, investing $200 a month every month, starting at the age 30 all the way to the age of 67. At the end of the 9 years, George invested $21,600 and ended up with more than $2.5 million. And George's friend Sam, she invested a whopping $91,200 over the course of 37 years. At the age of 67, she had built a little over $1.4 million. But get this, she never caught up with George, because that's the power of compounding interest. It can turn that $20,000 that you invested over a short 9 years to over $2.5 million in over 37 years. Don't get me wrong, saving money is important because it can protect you in the event of a financial emergency. I like to think of my savings account as my financial assurance account, because if I know that if anything happens, I can rest assured that I don't have to dig myself deeper in debt and add to my financial stress. But if you want to build wealth, we're talking about true wealth. If you want to retire, inspire, and retire early, investing is the way to go. I use Robinhood to do my day-to-day investing. Robinhood is great for that beginning investor because they break everything down for you. You can start with Robinhood and get free stock that's value up to $500 once you link your account with Robinhood. With investments, just know that they go down in value and up in value. So if you see it going slightly down, don't freak out. You want to look at the long-term track record of your investment. I am not an investing advisor, so I would recommend that you do your own due diligence, and you could also reach out to an investing professional, and you can do this even at your local bank. Check out more videos right over there, all things related to your finances. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.